Now will be discuss about the investigation of the brain. So how the type of the investigation of brain. Now first spiral CT scanning, MRI unravel or the computerized tomography of a spine. So can be demonstrate bony canal and invertebral foramen and the disc protrusion, any type of deformity, instilling the some interthecal contrast, and the computerized tomography scanning the clearly demonstrate the lesion, compression, and any type of spinal cord or other cranio cervicomedullary junction abnormalities. Now coronal sagittal reconstruction, imaging in the coronal plane, difficulty in the sagittal plane, and the virtually impossible for the two-dimensional reconstruction of the selected plane. So may provide the more information, so but require CT scan slice the normo bits with the 1 to 2 mm. Now coronal computerized tomography scanning, so it is the absence of the latest scanner and a good reconstruction, full neck extension, and combined with the minimal angulation of the CT gantry and the permit the direction of the coronal scanning. Now the CT angiography. Now the CT angiography, it is the helical during the infusion of IV intravenous contrast, the provide the non-invasive method demonstrating the intracranial vessels and other type due to the 3D format and the ability to rotate the image through the 3 to 60 degree more clearly demonstrate, and the any abnormality so may reported the clamp and that 3D of the angiography. It is the accurate and the contralated angiography and detected the small aneurysm, small type of the aneurysm. Now skull X-ray, it is the development more advanced imaging technique. So this is the skull X-ray. Now the less often the use for the image, but still provide useful for the standard view. Now view type of the skull X-ray. So lateral view, posterior anterior view, Townes view, Townes view means fronto-occipital view. So this is called Townes view. Learn the distinguish the normal skull marking, sides of the calcification. So example, pineal and choroid plexus. Now this is the lateral view of the skull X-ray. So this is the coronal suture. This first is the coronal suture, venous stake, the middle meningeal vessels of marking, and the pineal calcified and the rhomboid suture. So now this is the Townes views of the X-ray. Now this is the posterior anterior view, or this is the frontal sinus and the sagittal sinus. This is the Townes view. Townes view is the rhomboid suture. This is the view of the sagittal suture. This is the pineal, and this is the foramen magnum. This is the foramen magnum. Now look for the features bony erosion. So the focal example, pituitary fossa generalized and the multiple myeloma, bony hyperosteosis, the focal meningioma generalized example, Paget abnormal calcification, tumor example, meningioma, craniopharyngioma, any type of the tumor of the brain. Aneurysm ball, so midline shifted, the pineal gland is the calcified, so this is called aneurysm ball, midline shift, and signs of the rise of the intracranial pressure, so the erosion, postdenoid, and configuration, palatoplasia, and basilar impression. Thank you so much. Please share and subscribe. This is the investigation of the brain, MRI.